Hey, what's going on, guys? D-Mill is here. You don't know, you Makama TV. Make sure you like and subscribe. Boom bam bang. Yo, so this is a video about the first beach day in Jamaica, right? So it was an impromptu beach trip. Let me tell you what happened. So the plan was to go to Bob Marley Museum, Cafe blew up in Irish Town, and then to St. Bolt's restaurant. But my wife got sick. Yuma Kamal's mom, Aija's mom, got sick. She was in bed all day. So we decided, yo, what should we do? So, Yuma Kamal, Aija, Japa Grandpa, and I went to the beach beside Fort Clarence. The plan was to go to Fort Clarence, but it was closed. But luckily, the beach beside Fort Clarence was open. And that's where we went, guys. So check out the vlog. Enjoy. More commentary coming soon. Boom. Alright, so one of the first things that caught my attention in Kingston was these apartment buildings. So I haven't been to Jamaica for 7 years. So when I saw these buildings, I was like, yo, when did this happen? I was like, yo. I was staying at an Airbnb on Waterloo Road, and it had the perfect view of these 3 tall apartment buildings, yo, and they look so gorgeous. They look so nice. I kind of just imagine the price. I heard it's like 250,000 US dollars to 450,000 US dollars. That's what I heard. Not factual, go check. But these places are beautiful, and no doubt most of these apartments are being Airbnb'd out. Look at this, guys. Just look at this. Alright, so Yuma and Kamara saw the guy come over with the horse, right? And the guy said 1,000 Jamaican dollars if both of you ride it. But you know damn well Yuma and Kamara not getting on the horse together. They're not getting on that horse together. So it's like one after the other. And I don't blame them. Really hard man style, hard man thing. You're not riding a horse with a man. So 2,000 Jamaican dollars to ride a horse up on the beach, not bad. One of the cheaper things on the beach.
Outside.
See me? Outside with it. What you say?
Yo, a good business this, This is good business. The man have a horse on the beach. You go up, down. Not the whole beach, That's just a stretch of beach. So it's like not even 100 meters. Up, down, 1,000 Jamaican dollar. And multiple people rode this horse thanks to Yuma Kama, because Yuma Kama, they were the first. Them see the horse and like, yo, we're riding that. They're like, yeah man, cool, we're in Jamaica, yeah, ride the horse, do the thing. Me not ride the horse. Aija him never depend no horse riding.
baby.
Alright, so you remember when I said like riding the horse was one of the cheaper things on the beach? So we ordered some food, some fish, right? I went to the lady, you know, she was the person who basically facilitated our beach parking and our seating and then the food. So it's like a full-on beach service kind of vibe. You know the vibe if you're from Jamaica, right? So the lady comes in and says, all right, what you guys want for lunch? She was like, all right, let's have some fish. Long time I don't eat no fried fish and festival and bami and all that good stuff. So I'll go there and she recommended these small fish. I was like, oh man, maybe too much bones for the kids. So I got these bigger fish, about this size. And she wasn't sure about the price. She was like, yeah, it's all good, you know, tell me later. 3 fish, 7 to 10 festivals, 2 bami. Guess how much it costs? 18,000 Jamaican dollars. 18,000 Jamaican dollars, right? So it sounds like a lot of money, but after doing some research, you know, talking to cousins and friends, that's normal price. And I did a blog post about this and people were saying the same thing. They're like, yo, I paid 6,000 or they were charging $6,000 for a brown stew fish in Ocho Rios. So basically the cost of the fish in Kingston was 5,000 Jamaican dollars, right, for a fish. So let's work that out into US dollars, because the thing is, in US dollars it doesn't sound so bad. So let's say 5,000 divided by 150, $33. All right, that's it doesn't sound so bad. But then it's like, you know, I put things into perspective. You're a fisherman, you're at sea, and just recently a guy got his head bitten off by a shark and his arm. So you're taking a lot of risk when you're going fishing. So I'm like, you know what? $18,000 for 3 fish isn't that bad. But yo, those guys ran through the fish like sharks. Just look at them, yo. Just look at these dudes. Look at them. All right, so on the Sunday before the beach, we went up to Irish Town Cafe Blue. Right, so how did that end up happening? So my cousin, who I actually came to Japan with, we came together. He left in 1 year. I'm still here 16, 17 years later. Sometimes I wonder if I should kill him or thank him. But I'm not sure. No, guys, I'm grateful for being in Japan. But we went up to Irish Town. We had some nice Blue Mountain coffee, some cheesecake, some sandwiches. It was a good vibe. I didn't take much video because, man, trust me, being in Jamaica, I wasn't in a video taking mood. I just wanted to enjoy the moment. Took some photos, you know, took up some videos with my iPhone, but I didn't want to lug around this mirrorless camera, the Canon M150. I didn't want to walk around with it all the time. You know, because I already look touristy, you know, walking with my family. I didn't want to be even more touristy doing vlogs and things, but I should have, guys. I should have taken more videos. But back to the point. So we go up Irish Spring, Cafe Blue. We had some nice coffee and food. And then my cousin says, hey, let me show you the best spot in Blue Mountain. So I'm driving my brother's car. It's a nice car, VW Tiguan. What's the name of the car? Tiguan. I don't know. It's a VW SUV, right? So he has a Jimny, or Jimny as they call it. So he's going up these hills while I'm here in the VW SUV, just kind of struggling. And then my wife's parents in the car like, oh shoot. And I didn't realize my dad-in-law has he's afraid of heights. and we were up in Blue Mountain, and he was like, I was like, oh damn, we gonna kill Japanese grandpa in this? Nah, not happening. But it was a real adventure going through the mountains, up in Blue Mountains. And then when he showed us the view, it was a church, this church way up in the Blue Mountains. I've never seen it before. Beautiful church, from way back in the day, so the architecture is brim. The view was nice and priceless, but the drive to get there, my gosh. No videos, guys, just one video of us going down the hill. I might put that in, but man, what an adventure. But because of that, we ended up just being on the road for like 3/4 of the day, or the daylight, when the plan was to go link some aunts and uncles, so that got scrapped. Thank you, Stephen. We were up in the mountains half the day. Nice adventure, but damn, bro, next time a quicker route, brother. Alright guys, so thank you for watching Yumakama TV. Make sure to like and subscribe. We're gonna try and do at least one vlog a week, thank you God, cause we have to get this channel out there. So share the channel, like the channel, subscribe, give me some feedback in the comments. I'll reply, cause man, we need to get Yumakama TV to where it should be. Give thanks Jah for spreading the word of Yumakama TV. Thank you for watching. Bless up.